What's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. Today we are in Forest Park, Queens, New York. As you can see, it is an abandoned railroad behind me. This used to be a railroad, I believe, that would come from JFK all the way up north. I'm not really sure where it ended. I think it connects to one of the Long Island Railroad lines. I'm gonna do a little bit something different. So instead of using my camera, I am gonna use an actual old school VHS-C recorder. I'm talking about one of those really big blocky ones. So if you see the difference from clarity till, and just like that, just like that, we're back in digital. Anyways, we're gonna get on out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.